Namaste student. Today we are going to start a new chapter, that is area and perimeter. And under this chapter we have selected plane figure to find area and perimeter. So let's try to understand about the meaning of area and perimeter. Here we have the definition. The area of a plane figure is the total space enclosed by its boundary. It is always expressed in square unit. Let's try to understand. If we'll take any figure, any type of figure, so here whatever space enclosed by the boundary, this is the boundary, these are the boundary for this figure. If we'll take any type of shape, this is one shape, so this is the space which is enclosed by this boundary, we call area of this plane figure. Now we don't have this type of figure in our syllabus, we have limited figure in our syllabus. There are 4 figure in our syllabus. Okay, we'll see that one. Now here the perimeter. Perimeter means length of the boundary. That means if you open this one, you hold this one and open it, whatever the length of this one, this is, if you think this is 5 centimeter, this is 4 centimeter, 7 centimeter, 8 centimeter. Now if you open it, that means 5 plus 4 plus 7 plus 8, whatever centimeter will be there, that will be the perimeter of this plane figure. Okay, and this plane figure is the quadrilateral. That means perimeter means sum of all sides or sum of the length of the border around a plane figure is known as the perimeter of that plane figure. So now we have here, first one is rectangle, second square, third right angle triangle, and the fourth one is circle. There are 4 parts we have in our syllabus, that means 4 plane figure. The first one is rectangle. Rectangle means what? It is a quadrilateral. Why quadrilateral? Because it is a plane figure enclosed by 4 line segment. And rectangle have a definition. The definition is that opposite sides are equal. See this one, if it is a 5 centimeter, then it must be 5 centimeter. If it is a 4 centimeter, then it must be a 4 centimeter. And one more thing, opposite sides are equal and each angle, whatever angle will be here, all are 90 degree. So this is your rectangle. And if we'll take this one, this part we call length, and this part we call breadth, or sometimes we call wide also. Wait. So to find the area, there's a formula for the rectangle, that is area of rectangle equals to what? Length into breadth. And we used here short form, that is L into B for area of rectangle. And perimeter means what? Sum of all side. Sum of all side, if we take it, this is L, this is your B, and opposite sides are equal. Okay, we'll take it here. This is your rectangle. If we'll take, this is your L, then this must be L because opposite sides are equal. This is your B, this must be B. B means any number, L means any number. Like you have taken here 5, 5, 4, 4. Okay, any number. Here we are taking variable, as we have discussed in a algebraic expression. Okay, now perimeter means sum of all sides. If we add it here, L plus B plus L plus B. So here we are getting L plus L 2L and B plus B 2B, and you can see here 2 is common, that is 2, take bracket, that is L plus B. This is your perimeter of rectangle, that is what? 2 into length plus breadth. This is the formula for perimeter of rectangle. Now we'll enter into the square. Square means all sides are equal. Here all sides are equal and each angle is 90 degree, and it is the quadrilateral, special type quadrilateral, already we have discussed. So here area of square is what? That is side into side. Simple. If we'll take, this is your length and this is your breadth, that means length into breadth, but length and the breadth both are equal here. That's why instead of writing side length, we are writing here side, because all are equal. If we'll take here 9 centimeter, then it must be 9 centimeter, 9 centimeter, 9 centimeter. The area is side into side, that means 9 into 9. And here already we have discussed here that it is always expressed in square unit. Square unit means here we have centimeter unit, So it will be what? Centimeter into centimeter, that means centimeter square. 9 9 ja 81 centimeter square. This is your square unit we need to write. If it is meter, like if we'll take here 1 square, and if I'll write here 5 meter, 5 meter, 5 meter, 5 meter, then area for this one will be what? Side into side. That means 5 into 5 meter square, that is 25 meter square. This will be your area for square. Okay, the perimeter means sum of all side. If we'll take this one as a, there are 4 a plus a plus a plus a plus a plus a, that means 4a. 4a means what? 4 into side. A means what? Side, length of the side. Therefore perimeter means what? perimeter equals to what? 4 into side. This is the formula for your perimeter of square. Now we'll see right angle triangle. So here we have discussed in the triangle, this is one kind of right angle triangle where this angle will be your what? 90 degree, and opposite to right angle is what? Hypotenuse. We call this one as hypotenuse. This is your perpendicular, this is your base, and the formula is what? Area of right angle triangle formula is half into base into height, and the perimeter means sum of all sides. That means if we'll take here PBH, that means we need to add P plus B plus H. This is your PBH. Okay, and there is one relation, that is H square equals to P square plus B square. This one we call Pythagoras Theorem. We'll see later about this one. Here another two formula we have. Diagonal. Diagonal means this one. This is already we have discussed about the diagonal. So these are your diagonal. Diagonal. So diagonal. To find the length of the diagonal, there is a formula. If we have the side, that means root 2 into side. This is your diagonal formula. And for rectangle, root over length square plus breadth square will be your diagonal formula. Let's take one example and try to find it. So if we'll take one rectangle whose length is 8 centimeter and the breadth is 6 centimeter. Okay, and we need to find the length of the diagonal. So how are we going to find diagonal of rectangle? We'll write here, that is root over length square plus breadth square. That means length square means what? Root over 8 square plus 6 square. 8 8 ja 64, 3 3 ja 36. We are getting 100. 100 means 10 square. So root over and square, root square and square cancel, will get 10 centimeter. This is our diagonal for this particular problem. This way we need to find. And for square, if we'll take one square, and here we have 16 meter. If we'll take it here, 16 meter means each side equals to 16 meter. And to find the diagonal for this one, we have formula, that is diagonal of square equals to what? Root 2 into side. That means root 2 will be there into 16 meter, and we'll write here properly, that is 16 into root 2, that is 16 root 2 meter. This will be your diagonal of the square for this problem. Okay, so now we'll see for circle. So for circle, if you see here circle, there's a center and this is your radius. So there's a formula for area of circle, that is pi r square. So what is pi here? Generally we take here pi as 22 by 7, or sometime we take 3.14, but they are not exactly equal to 22 by 7 or 3.14. Roughly, approximately they are equal, and we are taking this one. Okay, next, circumference. Already we know the term, that is circumference. Let's recapitulate that one. Circumference means perimeter of the circle. There's a formula, that is 2 pi r. R means radius, pi means 22 by 7 here we're going to take, and 2 means 2. So let's take one example. If I'll give you one circle and if I'll give it here 21 as a 21 meter or 21 centimeter, you take it as a radius and you need to find the circumference and the area for this one. How are you going to find? Let's see. For this particular problem, we have what we have radius equals to how many? 21 centimeter. Therefore, area of circle equals to what? Pi r square. So we'll write here 22 by 7 into r square, means r 2 times, that is 21 into 21. Now as it is a area, so your unit should be centimeter square unit. So cancel it, we'll get 3, multiply here, we'll get your answer. Whatever value we'll get, that will be the area of a circle. I hope you can multiply it here. Next, circumference. CIRCUMFERENC, circumference of circle equals to what? 2 pi r. That means 2 into 22 by 7 into 21 centimeter. It should be in a unit, normal unit, no square unit. 3, cancel it here, 6, we'll get 2 3 is 6, and 6 multiplied to 22, whatever value we'll get, that will be your what? Circumference of this particular circle. Okay, this way we need to find this much we have in our syllabus. We'll see little problem related to your rectangle, square and right angle triangle, and we'll see about this one also. Okay, let's discuss one more topic here. From this formula, area equals to length into breadth, from this formula we can find more formula. Let's see how to derive other formula from this figure, or we can say that from this problem. So that means area equals to what? Length into breadth. That means whenever area and the length would be given, you need to find the breadth. So how are you going to find? You keep your breadth this side, take your length at the denominator place. That means breadth equals to what? This length will be at denominator place, that is area by length. This is one formula to find breadth. And when it will ask you to find length, then what we're going to do? We'll take this breadth at denominator place in the left hand side. That means your length equals to what? Area by breadth. So this is the formula. Or if for square means what? Area equals to side square. So to find side, if area has been given, then how are you going to write? Side equals to root over area. This is the formula. Let's take one example. If I'll take a square whose sides are 16 centimeter each, then you need to find, okay, you need to find what? You need to find the already area has a side has been given, so you can easily find that area, that is side into side, 16 into 16, you multiply, you will get the answer. But if it is not given, not side, take it as area, that is area has been given 64 meters square, area of this square, and you need to find what will be the length of the side of this square. So we have the formula, that is side equals to root over area. That means root over 64 meters square. That means 64 means 80 square meter square, and the square and square root cancel each other, we'll get here 8 meter. That means length of the side of this square is 8 meter. This way we can find the side of the square when area has been given to you. So this is another formula, that is side equals to root over area. So we'll write here side equals to root over area. Okay, this is, or if you want to write this side, that is, you can write here length equals to area by breadth. This is one formula, and another you can write breadth equals to area by length. So you need to mark this all formula, then you can apply this formula to solve the problem. I hope you people have understood. Thank you.